Welcome back to all of my subscribers, and I just want to say a big thank you. I am Chef Christy. For all of you who are new to my channel, I share delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday, so please subscribe to my channel. Now today, listen y'all, this is all about the cheese. It is pimento cheese spread. And it's only 4 ingredients with some spices. It's probably things that you have in your refrigerator or pantry. It doesn't take any time to put it together. And listen, this is delicious on hamburgers, grilled pork chops, chicken, quesadillas, a sandwich, and crackers. I mean, it is really nice to have in your refrigerator ready to go. So let's make this pimento cheese. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place a red bell pepper directly onto my burner and let it get completely charred all the way around. Now, if you don't want to do this, you can buy the jar of pimentos. All that is a red pepper that has been canned. But this is this gives it a nice roasted red pepper flavor to your pimento cheese. Okay, so while my pepper is roasting up, I'm going to add 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese to a food processor. And it's good to have this at room temperature. All right, now I'm going to add, I have 2 cups of mild shredded cheddar and 2 cups of sharp cheddar. And then I'm just going to blend this. Okay, and you may have to scrape down the sides. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And then I have my spices, and it is a 1/4 cup of pepper and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and minced dried onions. So I'm going to mix all this together. And there you go. Okay, so my pepper is completely black, and it doesn't take but just a few minutes. So I'm going to place this in a bowl, and then I'm going to cover it with saran wrap. And then I'm going to put this in my refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll show you how to remove the skin. Okay, so while my pepper is cooling, I'm just going to take my pimento cheese and place it in a bowl. Okay, so my pepper has been in the refrigerator, and by placing the saran wrap, it just allows it to steam a little bit, and that helps you to remove the skin. So what I'm going to do, it's so easy. You just kind of peel the skin right off. Okay, and it's okay if you have a little bit of that char still on there. That actually adds some nice flavor. So then all you're going to do is cut your pepper. I'm not sure if there is a nice, easy, pretty way to do this, but here we go. And then I'm just going to cut this in strips. Okay, so I've got my peppers all trimmed and cleaned, and now I'm just going to cut them in strips. And then I'm going to go back and make small little dice. Okay, I've got my peppers all cut up, and so now I'm just going to add them to my cheese. All right, and then just mix them in. Okay, does this pimento cheese not look delicious? And it's so easy. I really hope that you give this a try, and I'm just gonna sample it on a cracker, but like I said, put it on a hamburger or a grilled pork chop. It is amazing. With just a few ingredients, you can create something this delicious. So I have enjoyed showing you this recipe, and I hope to see you soon.